Hi, hello, flowers for you. Beautiful flowers over here. You can choose. Come, take a look. Flowers, flowers, beautiful flowers over here.
Hello, welcome to Emerald City. Have an amazing fine day.
Have you been having the most wonderfulest time?
Yes,
Enjoy yourself in the Emerald City. See you around.
It's the most wonderful shoe shining down. Welcome to Emerald City. Newspaper only for 1 silver coin. 1 silver coin. Very cheap. You want newspaper? Newspaper? It's only for 1 silver coin. Come on, let's go.
Thank you very much. Like a photo, please join the queue line over there. Photos in free
Are you here to tell me how wonderful I am? I sure do hope so. I believe that answers your question. Duco. Someday.
They have one silver coin.
Okay, a picture now. Okay, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Hi, welcome to the Emerald City.
Thank you.
How's your day?
Wonderful.
Wonderful. You could say it's positively splendiferous.
Yes, I could.
Amazing.
I met the wizard just now.
You met the wizard?
Yes.
He met the wizard. You did?
Yeah.
Nobody in Oz has ever seen the wizard.
Can I just take a photo of two of you? Yeah, with this. Hang on a moment.
Are you having a great day?
Thank you.
Can I help you find this? My pleasure.
That'll just be 2 silver coins.
Stamp your nose.
You've never done that in your
I
life.
do a swish.
Swish, wash, swish, wash.
Beautiful. Now everything's fine. Enjoy your day in Emerald City, okay? See you around. Bye. What do you
What's in the news?
Yes. This will be the #1 show in town.
Wow.
Hi, customer. Welcome to Emerald.
Good day yun, good day.
Oh, I stop. Collaborate and listen. Ice is back with a brand new invention.
This magical machine slows down time so Santa and his reindeers can bring gifts to girls and boys all over the world. It's a big job, and he's gonna need all the help he can get. Speaking of help, hello! I didn't see you there. Or you. Or all of you. You must be here to help Santa too. I'm Gerwin Cockfrost, and I'm expecting more special guests here at Santa's Magical Mechanical Workshop. Have you seen some cute, cuddly, and very furry friends anywhere? Hooray! They are finally here!
Super Grover! Super Grover!
Super Grover! It's I! Super Grover!
Uh-oh.
What's happened? Who broke it?
It is moi! Oh my!
Oh my! What is it? It's Santa! Oh, cheers! He's coming!
Ho, ho! Whoa! What happened here?
Oh, Santa, sir, the Christmas time tinkering machine is broken. That means it can't slow down time. How are we going to get presents to everyone?
Oh dear!
Oh, reindeer! The Christmas time tinkering machine made it all possible. But now that it's broken, no presents, no Christmas!
Now hold on just a holly jolly moment, Gewin. Christmas is not the season to worry. And besides, I know just the people to fix it. Let's look for the golden key in the crowd.
Guys, we need your help to find a golden key. And it's out there, somewhere.
Somewhere, someone must have a golden key.
Yeah, someone must have it. Come on, we need your help, everyone. We need you to fix this Christmas.
Someone out there must be able to help.
Oh, I think we found one!
Hooray! Oh, oh, oh,
Let's get a
oh,
round of
oh.
applause for our friend here. Yeah! Woohoo! Come on over. We found one.
Hello there, my young friend, and thank you for locating the key for us. Let's have a look. All right, on my count of three. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Holiday cheer is here. Very good.
Wow! It's finally working!
Hey!
Yeah!
Holiday cheer is indeed here.
The season we've been waiting for.
And your loved ones and gather round as we proudly present a DreamWorks Animation Holiday Spectacular.